The woolly mammoth, one of the most iconic creatures of the Ice Age, roamed the Earth for hundreds of thousands of years before vanishing forever. Their extinction is a mystery that has puzzled scientists for centuries, and while many theories exist, a combination of climate change and human activity appears to have sealed their fate. Woolly mammoths thrived in the vast, frozen landscapes of Eurasia and North America. Their long, shaggy coats, thick layers of fat, and specialized teeth made them perfectly adapted to the frigid conditions of the Ice Age. For tens of thousands of years, these giants dominated the tundra, grazing on grass, shrubs, and other vegetation that blanketed the cold, open plains. As the Ice Age began to wane around 12,000 years ago, the planet experienced dramatic shifts in temperature. The vast glaciers that had covered much of the northern hemisphere started to melt, transforming the landscape. The tundra, once a mammoth paradise, gave way to dense forests and wetlands. With their primary food sources disappearing, mammoth populations began to decline. These colossal creatures, built for life on open grasslands, struggled to adapt to the rapidly changing environment. At the same time, a new and powerful force emerged on the scene. Early humans, armed with increasingly sophisticated tools and hunting strategies, began to spread across the mammoth territory. Archaeological evidence shows that humans hunted woolly mammoths for food, bones, and hides. Mammoth bones have been found in ancient campsites, often carved into weapons, tools, or even shelters. Large-scale hunts, combined with the pressures of a changing climate, placed immense stress on an already struggling population. One of the most striking pieces of evidence comes from North America. The Clovis people, one of the earliest known groups of hunters, left behind spear points embedded in mammoth remains. Similar discoveries have been made in Europe and Siberia, showing that mammoths were a crucial resource for survival. The combination of human hunting and habitat loss created a deadly scenario for these gentle giants. As their numbers dwindled, isolated populations of mammoths found refuge in remote areas. Some of the last known groups survived on Wrangel Island, a small Arctic island off the coast of Russia. These mammoths managed to persist for thousands of years after their mainland relatives had vanished. However, inbreeding and a shrinking gene pool likely contributed to their ultimate demise. Studies of Wrangel Island mammoth DNA suggest that genetic mutations led to weakened immune systems, skeletal deformities, and even changes in their ability to process certain nutrients. Eventually, the last mammoths on Earth faded into history. Although the woolly mammoth disappeared, its legacy lives on in modern elephants, its closest relatives. Scientists have been exploring the possibility of bringing mammoths back through genetic engineering, using recovered DNA to modify elephant embryos. While the ethics and practicality of such a project remain debatable, it raises profound questions about humanity's role in preserving or resurrecting lost species. The extinction of the woolly mammoth serves as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between nature and survival. Climate change, whether natural or human-induced, has the potential to reshape ecosystems and drive species to extinction. The mammoth's fate highlights the long-lasting impact that humans can have on the world around them. As we continue to study the past, we gain valuable insights into how we might protect the species that still share our planet today. While the sight of a woolly mammoth roaming the frozen tundra may be lost to history, its story continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. The lessons learned from their extinction serve as a cautionary tale, urging us to consider the fragile connections that sustain life on Earth. Understanding the rise and fall of the woolly mammoth offers a glimpse into the forces that shape the natural world and our place within it.